Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in a Nissan Armada key fob. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, which helps prevent losing any tiny components during the process. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side of the casing. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. It should separate with minimal effort. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble the key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click. This indicates that the casing is securely closed. Finally, take your newly reassembled key fob to your Nissan Armada and test its functionality to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.